Hi guys, in this video I want to talk about the couple pressure relief valve rebuild kits that we have available. We have two options here that we're going to look at. On my left is the PRV-KIT, pressure relief valve kit. And on my right is the PRV-G kit. Now in this case, the G in the kit indicates for a pressure relief valve that has a galvanic isolator on it. We'll talk about this one first. Standalone pressure relief valves that have this galvanic isolator. If memory serves, we added these to the pressure relief valves in late 2020. So the PRV-G-KIT is specific to those, and again, these will be standalone. They won't be mounted to a TFT product. This is one that may be mounted on some plumbing or the pump within your apparatus. This kit includes a new galvanic isolator, as well as internal seals and a seat, as well as some assembly grease and blue Loctite for some reassembly of some parts within the unit. So that's the PRV-G kit. Again, these are on standalone valves that were manufactured around late 2020. Now, if we look at the PRV kit, this kit will fit any of the TFT pressure relief valves that were manufactured after June of 2012. Includes the same parts as the G kit, with the exception of it does not have the galvanic isolator, internal seals and some O-rings, as well as a seat and some Molykote assembly grease. Now, as I mentioned, this is for any pressure relief valve we manufacture after June of 2012. Pressure relief valves prior to 2012, we do not have a rebuild kit for, and if they require rebuild, then simply it'd be a complete replacement of the pressure relief valve. In determining the date of your valve, on a standalone pressure relief valve, you'll find a barcode label, which is the serial number. You can search this serial number on our website to get the manufacture date. If this pressure relief valve is mounted to a TFT device, such as an intake valve or something of the sort, there will be no barcode label. The serial number trackability is based on the serial number of the overall product. So you would run the serial number of the, say, the intake valve to find the manufacturing date. However, if you wanted to make a visual reference as to prior to or after June of 2012, you'll notice on this pressure relief valve, the size of the discharge hole here. This was manufactured after June 2012 and is the current pressure relief valve. You'll notice on this one, the diameter of the hole in the casting is larger. This is one that was manufactured prior to June of 2012, when we don't have a rebuild kit for. One thing I'll point out as you prepare to order your rebuild kit, if you have the opportunity to unbolt the pressure relief valve from the device that it's on, and inspect the casting where the sealing takes place down at the seat, just to ensure there's no corrosion in the casting of the pressure relief valve, which would prevent the new seat from sealing. If you do notice that area in the valve is corroded, then it's probably best to replace the pressure relief valve as opposed to attempt to reseal it. If you have any questions outside of these seats or these kits, certainly reach out to us.